let's do rolling. Before we'll start to do rolling, few things to remind. I roll using table which is raised. If you don't have raised table, use your kitchen worktop because it is on very comfortable level, okay? Then, what else we need to remember? When I roll, and I learned this technique from Natalia Barshavetsky, I split my legs, I put left or right in front, and when I start to roll, I walk from one foot to another. So it's kind of movement like this you're doing, okay? You don't bend too much, be very careful, watch your back. I had 10-pounder baby, so she wrecked my back, so I really need to be careful. What else need to remember? Take your breaks in between rolls. And you always can come back and finish rolling. It doesn't need to be a hard labor break and walk, okay? So, when you do rolling, make sure you have towel and tights or pop socks handy. I'll tell later why. So we covered our layout, just bit of layout with bubble wrap. We're going to put roller. I like to use plastic roller, and we're going to roll very tight. You use roller which you use usually. Some people use swimming noodles, or swimming noodle it's called, not noodles. Some people use foam pipe insulator. I use foam pipe insulator, which I mentioned before, or plastic roller, okay? I rolled very tight. Okay, now pop socks become handy. They hold this bundle in place quite tight. Okay, and we start to roll in the manner I explained before. So let's put your bundle of happiness in the towel, okay, and roll. Just like I said, I'm putting in position, I'm standing in position, one leg up front of another. My arms on the bundle, I do not roll with my hands, just only kind of finishing, but I don't put any pressure, and I'm just rolling. Your hands can move around your bundle, okay? Okay, we've done 40. We open our bundle. When I'm opening, I'm checking, because if you did not roll tight, your work can go kind of wrinkled, yeah? So make sure that did not happen. You just straighten your work, and after that, we're going to put roller on this side. What you can do, you can flip your work on another side, okay? and roll another 40 times. Okay. And we're doing again. Okay, we've done 40. Open our bundle. Put resist inside, doesn't matter, bubble up or bubble down, because it's going to be touching one side or bubble up. It's not a problem. Okay. And we're doing again. We're doing 40 again. Okay, we've done it, and we've done 3 times 40. We're doing last time from another side of this side. Okay, I'm not even opening my bundle, I'm just rolling another 40 times. Okay. I'm doing felting with dance. Right, we're all done. We finish rolling. We're going to open our bundle and check. Okay, I'm basically doing a pinch test.